Hey y'all, we back with another video. Today we will be doing a classic ponytail using Organique hair. I'm going to start out with pressing her hair. Make sure you go through and press every strand of her hair. This is to make sure that your ponytail lays as flat as possible. Right now I'm just combing through to make sure that everything is straight. Then we're going to go through and we're going to comb her hair into the position of her desired ponytail placement. Once you get your hair into the desired placement, I like to clip the ponytail up if they have a lot of hair, and I start molding. You're going to mold with whatever spray you desire for your client's hair. So you're going to spray and blow dry throughout this whole process. You're going to go around the whole head. Once that is done, your ponytail mold should look something like this. You're going to proceed to braid the ponytail down. You're going to add your rubber band and you're going to add your wrapping paper. After that, you're going to go ahead and add your hair. We are using Organique hair for this. I think the texture is body wave. I always make sure I add glue to the end of each bundle because sometimes when you comb it, this can unravel. Make sure you secure your band. So what I like to do is wrap and spray. You want to make sure that this is completely dry. And this might take a while to do, but you want to make sure that it's dry because if it unravels, you're not going to know how to get it back. And then I just like to go through and comb through the hair with a rat tail comb. It kind of just forms the waves a little bit better than the wide tooth comb. And this is the final result of her hair. Thanks for watching. Bye.